some rice, some cauliflower for my 3 months old Pitbull, some egg, yellow and white. For today, just mix it and add some little amount of the food. Add some warm water. Winter now, of course. This for my Saint Bernard 2 years old. Just make a big guy. Take a little bit amount. Put also a liquid. Warm water and the food. Mix it. Mix it. Some aroma, Pitbull Saint Bernard, vitamin, mix it well, it doesn't mix up, food. 3 months old Mylo&Angel. And this is my 2 years old Saint Bernard Angel. So enjoy the food. It's so fast.